weekend, y'all. It's my birthday weekend. Woo-hoo! My hair looking like that. My hair looks weird. Anyways, it's my birthday weekend, y'all. I am on my way right now to see Hazel McCallion. My birthday is actually tomorrow, March 26th. And I'm going to be years old. And I'm going to see the former mayor of Mississauga right now for a book signing. Never had a picture with her, so I'm going to get mines today for my birthday. Get my book signed and have her put happy birthday in the book as well. Yeah, and then I'm going to a birthday dinner and dance tonight with my girls, with my boys, and I'm going to have a lot of fun, all right? So you guys are going to come along with me.
She's coming. I got my ticket and number. It's gonna have my
It's really strong as an ox.
So I got my photo with Hazel, I got my book signed, and all of that. You can see it says happy birthday, Natalie. Yay! Yay! And she's gangsta. She told somebody brought up in a book, and it's called Her Worship, and when she was a mayor, and she goes, I don't want to sign that book. Fully said, I don't want to sign that book. She's gangsta.